All right, hey guys, how you doing? Stefan from Platinum Futures Painting here, Paint Boss. Just wanted to give you a little idea how I patch these awful cracks when you go in to do an epoxy job. So I am using concrete ready quick patch, and basically I'm keeping it mixed up pretty good, and I'm just gonna kind of spread it in there, right? You can kind of just keep it going. You want to go a couple different directions just to make sure we get in all of that. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of move it, comb it, spread it around. We're going to get it all in there, make sure we're putting a little pressure on our knife to get a good hold sideways. And then basically as it starts to set up, kind of like that, my little trick is I'm going to come back and I'm just going to get all the excess off. Goes right back into the bucket. We're going to keep mixing, keep that nice and wet, and we keep going. And we get like a really nice, not over broadcast look, so when we go to put our epoxy on there, we have a nice uniform filler. So nothing crazy, not reinventing the wheel. I already kind of chased this out with a small grinder. I don't like to make my gaps any bigger. So we chased out the crumbly stuff, and now we're just getting our filler in it. And when we get our epoxy in here, it's gonna be really nice and even. Now a lot of guys can put sand in here to give it a little bit more backing. We already chased it out, put a little bit of filler behind there. This is just kind of a quick one. You can see it starting to level itself out. And again, what I like doing, because I don't like to see a bunch of spider veins, is I just have a, pretty sharp sheetrock knife, come by, and I'll just get all my excess. And I'll take that back off. And now you can see we're basically left with what we're gonna keep in the crack. And once the epoxy self levels, we get our flake in here, all that should be pretty flat. All right, guys? So that's just how I'm filling on this job. Now, different jobs call for different things. This one had quite a bit of cracking in this one, so I'm going to fill it with this joint compound first. This stuff is apparently 10 times stronger than concrete, so I've used it before and had no problems. It'll still move a little bit, but it'll serve as our backing. Alrighty, so one crack down, 10 left.